This is a step-by-step tutorial video on how to assemble this baby walker. So first of all, let's have a look at all the parts so we know that you have all the parts of it. Okay, so this is the part that holds the seat. So this is the part that you attach the seat to. We will show you how to do it, but for now let's just make sure you have all the parts ready. Okay, this is the side that has the sounds and lights. You insert batteries into it prior to fixing it. Okay, all right, so let's put that down. And then these are the play toys on it. You should have 4 of them. Okay, all right, so 4 of them as in the video. Then you should have 6 ties. These are the ties. You should have 6 ties. Then you should have a basketball net for the basketball side. Okay, like this. And then you should have a handle, the small handle at the back. You should have one. Okay, and then you should have the main item, which is the walker, the round thing itself. Okay, so these are the items you need to start. So make sure you have everything, and then now let's start. So you turn the main base upside down, and then you attach the ties to it. Okay, so you put 1 tie at each point, the same way that we are doing it in the video. These are the ties that will help baby to actually move around. Okay, all right, so you make sure the ties are all properly fitted into it nicely. Okay, then you turn it upside down. When you turn it, so this is supposed to be it like this, and then so the ties will be on the floor, and then the main thing will be like this. Okay, now we are going to straighten it, and then you are supposed to pull. When you straighten it, you are supposed to pull this side. You pull it up so that it actually locks. Yes, so you pull it up all the 3 sides. You pull it up so that it will hold the joint and prevent it from actually going down. Okay, so the next thing is to attach this, which is the side that the seat holds, is to attach it to the main base that you did earlier. So to attach it, you do this, and then it will lock, and then you pull that place up. When you pull it up, you realize that there's another button inside there. Yes, right there. Yes, that will pop out. When it pops out, then you know that it has locked. Okay, so we'll repeat the same process for all the other 3 sides. You press the knob, make sure it fits, and then you pull up that, and make sure that the knob at the back of it comes out. That's when you know that it has appeared. It has straightened up solidly. Okay, and then you pull it up. When you pull it up, you make sure. Okay, so now you realize that it is upright. It is no more folded, and then you can continue fixing. So the next thing we are going to do is to attach the seat to the part that actually holds the seat. Okay, so let's do that. when you do this, you see the seat is attached to the its holder, and then now you attach the main thing to the base of it. Okay, so you make sure that it snaps in place. Just make sure that it all snaps in place. When it snaps, you would actually hear the sound, and then you will know that it has actually hooked it, so it will not fall again. Okay, so you see, this is the stage which we are. Have you seen the seat is attached? These and these, every part is showing for you to know that it is standing upright. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's attach its accessories so that you see. Usually this holder is the exact same color as the walker. Usually it is the same color, but it may be different, but it is usually the exact same color as the walker. Okay, so you put all the parts into it. You can arrange it anywhere. Just make sure that it snaps in place nicely. You should have about 4 of them, so we are going to attach all of them. So you see, it is a 360 walker, so something is at every side for baby to play with. Any parts that they tend to, there will be something that they can touch or feel. Okay, and then attach the last one. Okay, at this stage, this is what you should get, and then we'll attach the sound part. Okay, when you do this, you are about 95% done. Your walker is ready. You can use it this exact same way. But in the cases where you want them to use the basketball side whilst they go, you remove the basketball side, you pull it out from the walker. Okay, it has this side, and then you fix in the net. Okay, you fit in the net nicely, and then you realize you have a part where they can actually throw their balls into. So you can give them this small balls, either the ocean balls or any soft ball. They should hold it and then just throw it. They throw it and then they score goals for you. When they score goals, please clap for them. They've done very well. Okay, so you make sure that your net is fitted nicely. When you do this, you're 100% done. That is the end. You have fixed the walker. It is pretty simple, pretty easy to arrange. So baby sitting, the seat itself turns 360. So you can turn, you see, the seat itself turns 360. So they can turn all around. Okay, so that is the end of our video today. That's how to set up this baby walker. If you want to collapse it, let me just show you how to collapse it before we go. So if you want to collapse it, you pull down this side. So you remember there was a part where I told you has to show at the inside of it. You press it down and pull it. Okay, so when you pull this down, okay, you press it and pull this. Let me show you the parts that we are pressing. So let's turn it a bit so that you see where we are pressing exactly. So you press this side down, and then to show you, you press it down, and then you pull this exactly. When you do that, it will come down, and then you can collapse the whole thing So if you want to put it away, this is how to collapse it. It's that simple. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in our next video. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.